quick reading for March the 13th to March the 14th. Sagittarius, your cards are the Eight of Swords, the King of Wands, and the Wheel of Fortune. So nakikita natin dito na si person parang they are isolating themselves, no? Probably in the past, hindi talaga nagpakita, hindi nakipag-usap, ni Honey Ho, walang ginawa. With the King of Wands, para magugulat ka na lang dito na si person is trying to invite you for a conversation. Probably si person would love to have a dinner with you or have a date with you, go out with you, and probably talk things over. I feel like marami ditong realization dun sa silence nyo ni person. And meron siyang mga realization na marami rin akong pagkukulang, no? With the Wheel of Fortune, parang yung mga mishaps ko, yung mga hindi ko nagawa, pwede mo ba akong pagbigyan na gagawin ko ito uli? Pwede mo ba akong bigyan ng chance to rekindle the love and bounce back? So this is your quick reading for March the 13th to March the 14th, Sagittarius.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.